My name is Gyunhee Xan from Yonsei University. So I'm the project leader of the EDCF project to build pharmaceutical technical university in Uzbekistan.
My name is Zae Sung No, and I also joined this project with Professor Han, and I'm working mainly for the chemistry area and research capacity building area. So good to see you again for this project.
Hi, my name is Xunju Ha, and I also participate in this project and helping this project go smooth. And mainly I'm helping to develop the curriculum for pharmacy education and related field. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jixun Kim, and it's an honor to participate in this project. And my job is a little bit insignificant compared to the other professors, and but I'll do my best in this project. Thank you.
So I believe that our team is really the best team, and because so I'm the professor of the College of Pharmacy and also Department of Biotechnology. So nowadays in the biopharmaceutics is so important. And here the Professor No who is a real expert in drug discovery and mainly focusing on small molecule. And Professor Ha actually working in the pharmacologist, and she is one of the very well-known pharmacologists in Korea. And here is Dr. Kim he is working on drug design using computer. So in the research and the education disciplines, we are a perfect team. And also we are actually developing the new curriculum and as well as the research program, and which is collaborated between Yonsei University and PTU in Uzbekistan.
Thank you very much, and nice to meet again all of you. And can you tell us more about the partnership between Yonsei University and the Pharmaceutical Technical University, and how did it come about?
Actually, I mean, some of the professors in Yonsei University actually involved in the capacity building in Tashkent. So I heard about a lot of the good things from my fellow professors. Actually, this project, basically, we didn't know that until we actually accepted. And so one of the professors in Korea, actually, he was working in a feasibility study. And then we saw and we read the full report, and we are very, very impressive. And we made several trips since we selected as a main consultant. We are so impressive. And yesterday we visited a new place. There was even more we expected. So there's a lot of burden for us. We have to make it better than that.
Okay, next question. Are there specific fields of the research or academic areas that this partnership will focus on?
Okay.
What's unique? What's unique about in this partnership for PTU?
So I'm going to talk about a little bit of the brief, information, and then Professor No and Professor Ha are going to add some more details. And basically, we are building up the new pharmaceutical the program, the research and education program in Uzbekistan. And the Korea actually working in the 6-year pharmacy program. And we had very nice and very well the reputation among any of the countries in the world. So we try to bring up the Korean pharmacy system into Uzbekistan pharmacy education, so which bring up globally competitive the pharmacists, so which who are really important in the Uzbekistan healthcare business as well as the pharmaceutical industry. Here is the Professor Ha actually mainly focusing on the pharmacy program, and there's some other program we are also focusing on, so which is biopharmaceutical and biotechnology. So mainly focusing on the biopharmaceuticals and also industrial pharmacy. So right here, so we visit several times, and your industry is really growing. So the pharmaceutical industry is kind of future of the Uzbekistan. So Professor No actually working on the curriculum and also research development also. So please add some more about Professor No, please.
Yeah. I can say that Korea has been developing this pharmaceutical R&D area for more than 40 years. So we have some not long experience, but some experience about this pharmaceutical drug R&D, and Korea has been quite successful. So based on this project, we would like to deliver our experience in developing the pharmaceutical industry development. And the first thing is that to educate and bring professionals by the university, to train, to educate, to be the professionals with skilled scientific knowledge. That nurturing young brains is very important. So through this PTU, as Professor Han mentioned, we would like to make a very unique, and based on the Yonsei University curriculum, we would like to make a very unique curriculum and programs, and educate youngsters to be the professionals in this area. That's the first thing. And second thing is that not only the education, the current university need to focus on the research. So to be competitive with other world and with other university, we need to have the very creative and challenging research topics and systems to be developed in this university. So my area is the chemical drugs, pharmaceutical drugs, and Professor Ha is more likely focusing on the biology drugs and based on the pharmacology, and he is also biosimilar drugs or biologic drugs, including the vaccines, antibodies, and the protein drugs. As you know, that drug R&D is a very huge, enormous area and a very long investment required field. This is a very likely marathon, so we need a very long time and endurance. But the most important thing is to bring the young brains in this field and for them to initiate the pharmaceutical area. So we are going to do this step by step and focus on the education and training first, and next we will do the capacity building, including the research systems and the infrastructures. That's the main summary of our project.
I mean, Professor Han going to add a little bit more about PharmD education, because she is a real expert in that area. Also, she was retired from Ewha Monmouth University after a long time serving at the Dean of the College of Pharmacy.
Well, I guess we, as Professor Han and Professor No already mentioned, we Korea established very firm education system for PharmD program recently. So we know well about how we develop these things. That's why this will be a very good challenge for us to share our experience with this PTU. Yeah.
Here's one more thing I want to write to add it. In the usual PharmD program or MPharm program, which is a British program or quite the popular in the European countries, so mainly focusing on clinical pharmacy. But however, the Korea, so College of Pharmacy focusing on two values, patient-centered and also industry-oriented. So I think these two values are really important. So in Uzbekistan situation, I think.
I agree.
Thank you. And next question. What direct benefits will students from Pharmaceutical Technical University gain from this partnership?
Actually, I just heard a very nice, very good news from the QS ranking, and the Yonsei University ranks in the worldwide in the 56th, so which is a little bit over the second quarter. So that means that so the Yonsei University education program is very well known and also very well organized. So I think that one of the direct benefit, from Yonsei University to PTU student is, so we are providing curriculum. So actually we are developing the curriculum pretty much similar as the Yonsei University. So all the students, who are studying in the PTU are going to get the very similar Yonsei program. So which is really globally competitive. And the second one is, the Yonsei University has a very strong emphasis, particularly on the hands-on. Okay, so the learning is very important, but teaching also is very important. But one important one is you have to make your student thinking and doing. So we are really focusing on the development lab courses. So I think it should. I think the PTU students are going to get really important experience, which are really important in the future for bio and pharmaceutical industry.
Last question. What message would you like to convey the students and faculty members at the Pharmaceutical Technical University regarding this partnership?
Okay, so I think that we are going to deliver maybe one or two sentences each. So for myself and as a project leader of this project, okay, so we are building up, new university building, which is globally competitive. So we are building up the new curriculum, so which is globally competitive. So I believe that the potential PTUs are going to be number one in Uzbekistan. Also, they are also globally competitive. So we'll make them globally competitive. Okay, be ambitious. Okay, all PTU students.
I'd like to say that this pharmaceutical science and technology are the top frontier edge field. That means the very complicated and the very high knowledge required area. So the university should teach the science very well advanced way. So we want to make PTU very unique university based on the previous experience of the Yonsei University. Not only that one, but also the challenging ideas to make a very unique PTU, we will try. And the students will come here and see the curriculums and the environment for this training and education. And we need to ask them for their satisfaction with 4 year, 5 year. Let's see. And the students will, we want to make the students the best environment and the best education opportunity through these programs. So come here and enjoy yourself for the later professional career.
I guess, as they already mentioned, we are very ambitious to establish this globally competitive program. And also the professors in PTU right now, they are very ambitious or anxious to establish this program through this collaboration. So since both parties have the same value, core values, that's the strong basis for, I'm sure it will be delivered to the students, what we have in mind. So students will appreciate, and I'm sure they will do their best too, according to our new program. That's what I believe. Okay.
The one last word from Dr. Kim.
Yeah, I think that our team and the PTU colleagues all do the best for the new university. And I think the student can experience the best, not only the best educations, but the environment is really good, I think.
Okay. And so one last words I'm going to finish up. Okay. I mean, we are really ambitious.
Yeah.
I think the all PTU faculty members and staffs are also ambitious. Okay, so our goal is not the number one in Central Asia. Okay, so we have the vision, we have ambitions, and we are going to make it globally competitive. College of Pharmacy. Okay, in the world. Okay, let's do it together.
We are ready.
Okay.
Thank you.